Hi everybody, this is Jackhammer from M.A.S.K. This is from Series 1, one of the earliest Venom vehicles. See, this box isn't in the best shape, but we'll take a closer look. Venom 4x4 assault vehicle with action figure. Cliff Dagger includes vehicle air defense weapon, action figure and mask. Comic book and poster included, changes to assault vehicle and back. On this end, nice big tear there, assault vehicle, removable air defense weapon. Is that a price tag there? $16.99. I'm not sure if that's pounds or dollars or what. Someone's kindly taped this together, and the tape's gone rather nasty. On the back there, we've got Cliff Dagger of Venom with Torch mask, which pretends to be a flamethrower. Reciprocating cannons, armoured hood shield, American spelling, American box I'm guessing. Removable rotatable air defense weapon, rotatable anti-aircraft turret. Join M.A.S.K, mobile armoured strike command, where ordinary vehicles and men become an awesome fighting team to wage battle against Venom, the vicious evil network of mayhem, where illusion is the ultimate weapon. Doors open and close. Goodyear is a trademark of Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, reproduced by permission. Kind of products, 1985. Got these little proof of purchase seals we used to see on the old Star Wars figures. This side we've got doors open and close. It's a bit of an action feature. A rugged 4x4 on the top. Someone sat on this, I think. Rugged 4x4 quickly converts into an air assault vehicle with a rotatable anti-aircraft turret, armoured hood shield and hidden reciprocating cannons. So there you go. Oh, we've got a bit more on the bottom. Armoured hood shield protects driver, front grille reveals powerful reciprocating cannons, pop-up armoured anti-aircraft turret rotates 360 degrees. Just take a little look at that little gun there. I don't have that gun, it's missing. If you're going to buy a Jackhammer, make sure it's got that gun. I've been waiting 10 years trying to find a little gun on its own. Ain't gonna happen. You're going to get one, buy it complete, I'll live with it. So there you go, that's the box. We'll get him out and have a closer look. This is the driver, this is Cliff Dagger. This is one of the main villains in the cartoon. Bit thick, but quite a tough guy. He's quite small. You can see that. He's got the old eye patch and a little hat. And a bit of a bald head underneath there. He's got some nice sculpting for the folds of fat on his neck. You can see his little weapons belt there with a little gun. Got the one wristband. Usual M.A.S.K articulation, bendy knees, bendy legs. Arms will tilt a bit and the head does turn. So that's Cliff. This is his mask. This is Torch mask, one of the best masks. It just fires a flamethrower. Can't argue with that. This is the original version of it. No holes in the top or anything. This is a proper choking hazard. I don't have the version 2 mask of this. But there you go. Pops on his head thusly. So there, that's Cliff Dagger with his Torch mask. So this is Jackhammer. This is the rugged 4x4. And this is a pretty damn good car. You can see black, always a good colour. Nice shiny chrome wheels. Rubber tyres with the old Goodyear on. Got proper metal axles, which is always great. You can see that there, Kenner Products car, 1985, Cincinnati, Ohio, made in Hong Kong. Really tidy underneath as well. Doesn't give much hint at any kind of transformation. doors that open, nice orange seats there. Got a little turny steering wheel. This does come out, so you've got to make sure it's got one if you're going to buy one. Put Cliff in the seat. You do have to bend his knees a bit because this doesn't have a bit for the legs under there. You've just got to sort of sit in. There he is inside. So this is pretty big, holds 2 figures. It's got this great front grille. You can see a bit of chrome wear there on mine. There's a little bit loose. There's the other door. Around the back we've got this lever, which is part of the transformation. It's just a shame this wasn't chrome. It's the only grey piece on it. I'm going to just brought it up to another level. We've got nice stickers there. Not really sure what that's meant to be. It's sort of the horizon with some computer graphics on it maybe. On the top we've got this little button there, and there's some engine detailing. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a big scratch there. That's where the this bit will pop up, and it's a kind of turret. And over time, if you keep doing it, it's going to scratch the top. Run the hole, damn good car. So to transform it, dead easy this one. Take this button, push it down, slide it up. What that does is puts a blast shield over the windscreen. Also means you can't see to drive, but never mind. This comes down, we've got the Venom logo there. Got these 2 little guns, and what happens if we move it forward? Got a little pom-pom gun. See if you can see that so well. Not a bad feature. Next we take this, press it down, and that will launch the top. Once that's launched, we can flip this. It forms a little seat. We've got these 2 cannons at the front. That little gun I showed you in the box would clip into that little hole there. Unfortunately, I don't have that. Like I say, if you want that, make sure it's got it, because you ain't going to find it separately. We can take the figure, and it'll just sit in the top there. And this little swinging gun turret. There you go, see? This is what I mean about scratching the top. If you do that enough, it's just going to leave marks. But, on the whole, it's pretty good. So that's basically it. It's sort of 4x4 attack mode, really. Transform it back, you can take him out. Flip over the seat, brings the guns back. Push the top down. Slide the front back. Brings up the front bumper. His knees down, sit him back in. There we go. Back to where we started. So there you have it, that's Jackhammer. Really, really simple toy, but it's black and it's got shiny chrome and it just looks really good. Like I say, that gun's a bit of a problem. Make sure the chrome looks good, and make sure you've got Cliff and his mask. But other than that, there's not a lot that can go wrong on this one. So there you go. This has been Luke with Jackhammer, one of the main bad guys from M.A.S.K at the very first series of the cartoon. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves, and I'll see you next time.